And moving on to our other big story, where we get you details of how Rahul Gandhi had met with loco pilots. He also put out that video, which is now being heavily criticized, calling it a publicity stunt. Now, this footage that reveals that he was accompanied by a camera crew and a director during the quote-unquote encounter he had with loco pilots. Allegations have surfaced that outsiders dressed as loco pilots were arranged for the shoot. Let's cut across to Riyanka, who's tracking the story on the ground. Do share with us the details of what happened, because there are two versions coming in. Rahul Gandhi is really putting himself forth as the messiah for these loco pilots, where he says that he will be their voice for all the difficulties that they have been going through. But the railway authorities, on the other hand, claiming that these loco pilots featuring in that video were not the railway staff. Not just that, it is also alleged that Rahul Gandhi had planned this and he was carrying a camera crew and a director with him in order to stage this entire thing.
That's right. We heard reactions coming in from the CPRO of Northern Railways, who has in fact confirmed that the people Rahul Gandhi interacted with were not a part of the railway authorities' lobby. The authorities go on and claim that all the people Rahul Gandhi had interacted with in the name of so-called loco pilots were people who were brought from outside. They have been called as outsiders by the railway authorities. We are also getting to know the fact that Rahul Gandhi was accompanied by 7 to 8 camera persons, and along with him was a director as well. It looked like a complete setup for a shoot or a reel, as per quoted by the railway authorities. They said the number of people were joining Rahul Gandhi, and it looked like there was some filming or a shoot going on. On the other hand, the Congress party has put up claims that Rahul Gandhi had met with around 50 loco pilots yesterday at the New Delhi railway station, and he heard the grievances of these loco pilots who have allegedly complained of fatigue or long hours of working in the railways, as well as several other issues like non-recruitment of the vacancies in the loco pilot seat or the privatization of railways. Rahul Gandhi, on the other hand, has in fact assured these loco pilots that he will be raising their issues in front of the parliament as a leader of opposition. But the twist comes here with the BJP and especially the authorities, the railway authorities, very strictly claiming that Rahul interacted with people who were dressed as loco pilots, and they have clearly denied these persons to be a part of the railways lobby.
All right, do stay on with us, as the Chief PRO of Northern Railways has confirmed that Rahul Gandhi visited with a 7-8 member camera crew. The crew was seen recording some reels during the visit, and it appears that outsiders who were a part of the official crew lobby accompanied Rahul Gandhi for this recording. Listen in.
राहुल गांधी जी ने नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन को विजिट किया. इसमें हमारी क्रू लॉबी उन्होंने देखी. वो उनके साथ अपने कुछ 7 से 8 कैमरामैन थे और उन्होंने क्रू लॉबी विजिट किया. क्रू लॉबी कैसे बुक करते हैं हम लोग, उनका देखा, उन्होंने सिस्टम देखा, और उसके बाद वो बाहर क्रू लॉबी से बाहर आके कुछ अपने ही कुछ लोगों से डिस्कशन किया. 7 से 8 क्रू थे जो कि हमारे लॉबी को बिलोंग नहीं करते थे, बाहर से आए हुए ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा है. और क्योंकि उनके पास 7 से 8 कैमरामैन थे, ये भी देखा गया है कि वो उनकी फिल्मिंग कर रहे थे और उनकी कुछ रील वगैरह बना रहे थे. वो हमारी लॉबी के लोको पायलट नहीं थे. ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो बाहर से लाए गए थे, बाहर से आए हुए थे.
Loco pilot of the Rajdhani Express stated that he did not recognize the loco pilot seen with Rahul Gandhi. He mentioned being informed that a film was being shot and observed a group of camera persons surrounding Rahul Gandhi. The loco pilot, seeing the supposed loco pilots for the first time, asserted that they were not familiar to who they were.
कोटा से ट्रेन लेके नई दिल्ली आया था. सुबह हम लोग यहाँ पहुँचे और उसके बाद हम लोग जाके सो गए. 12:30 बजे करीब खाना खाने के बाद मैं नीचे उतरा. नीचे आके देखा काफ़ी लोग भाग रहे हैं. टीटी रनिंग रूम की साइड में भीड़ काफ़ी लग रही है गेट पे. आरपीएफ भी थी, काफ़ी लोग थे यहाँ पे इकट्ठा. तो जब मैंने पूछा किसी से तो उन्होंने बोला कि कोई फिल्म बन रही है, फिल्म की शूटिंग हो रही है। तो मैं जाके देखा वहाँ काफ़ी कैमरामैन लगे हुए थे और लोको पायलट की ड्रेस में काफ़ी लोग राहुल गांधी के आसपास इर्द गिर्द बैठे हुए थे। तो मैं भी भीड़ में आके खड़ा हो गया वहाँ पर देखने के लिए, उत्सुकता से कि क्या है क्या नहीं। बाकी मैं इनको फर्स्ट टाइम देखा, ये लोग कौन है, ये लोको पायलट की ड्रेस में पहली बार देखा है। मैं राजधानी का ड्राइवर हूँ, बाकी मैं किसी को इनको जानता नहीं हूँ।
And those are the two versions coming in of what is being claimed. It is being said, Riyanka, that Rahul Gandhi staged this, and this was a mere publicity stunt to target the centre and target the Railways Ministry. Do take us through the details of what you're picking up from your sources and how the BJP is reacting.
See, firstly, the BJP is looking for clarification from Rahul Gandhi because the BJP is hitting out at this stunt that they are calling to be a publicity stunt and a special bid to, in fact, pull down the image of the centre and the railways at a time when there are already pressure on the railways regarding certain tragedies that has already taken place. In this, Rahul Gandhi going ahead and trying to stage this entire situation to be, him listening to the grievances of the people, whereas the railways authorities clearly, stating that the people he interacted with were not part of their lobby. Loco pilot from the Rajdhani also claiming that there were 7 to 8 people who were accompanying Rahul Gandhi. They had cameras in their hand. It looked like entire shoot that was going on. They were making reels and they were shooting for a film. So there have been clear denial from the railways authorities that Rahul Gandhi met with loco pilots who the Congress party is currently claiming. On the other hand, like I mentioned, that the BJP is hitting out at Gandhi, calling it an entire gimmick, a publicity stunt.
All right, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, we wait and watch how the story develops. For the moment, we also take a quick check of some other top stories that are also making news this morning. Bharat in 2 minutes.